how to hide your following list on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as following list. So here you can just tap on it, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in that menu which says who can see your following list, you can just select only me. And here with that, this will hide the list of accounts you follow from everyone else. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.